everyone and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a really quick hair tutorial for you today. My hair is a bit of a mess, so let's sort this out. I don't really have a name for this one. I actually found this hairstyle on TikTok, so I will upload this version onto TikTok. Don't know who it was that uploaded it first, so I do apologise, but it's really quick and easy and I can't wait to show you. I actually wore this hairstyle during my Sian song on Instagram and possibly TikTok I uploaded it too, so it's super nice. I think it was the one with One Direction like changes, I think it was that one. So what you do first off is go back along your parting just a little bit, a couple of centimetres, maybe an inch or more, I don't really know inches, but you basically go from there and with your fingers make a parting all the way down to like about your ears. Should be fairly even. So basically you get a line. I have got a mirror here, so sorry if I'm looking that way. And then exactly the same on this side. And then the hair at the back, try and keep at the back or put in a bobble. I forgot to bring one, so mine's just going to be like here. This probably looks best with a side parting, I should have said. You can do it with a centre part and just make sure that each section is sort of even. So with my side parting, the side that is like the less amount of hair sort of thing, you literally split in half. Try and get like a straightish line. You can use a comb to do this, I just didn't bring one. And you basically tie it into a bunch. So I'm using these little bobbles, which I dropped. These little bobbles. And mine goes around about 3 times. And then you don't need to put it too tight yet. What you do is then with this bunch, you split it in half, push your finger through and then push the bobble through, pull it out and pull tight. And that's number 1 done. Then you do the same with the bottom half. Mine is really not a straight line, so I'm just doing it quick for you I suppose. That was caught in my ear. Should have put some earrings in, it would have looked nice. I just didn't think. This bobble is a different colour, but oh well. You do exactly the same. That is half of it done. And now onto this other half. So sort of chuck this bit of hair behind. This one you split into 3 sections. So I try and do it pretty even with this one I suppose. But to be honest, I just do it from like the corner of my head. I've got way too much hair there. And then, as I say, tie with a little ponytail. And then a little ponytail, push your finger through halfway, bring the ponytail towards your face, and then push the bobble through that little hole you just made halfway through the ponytail bit, pull it out. Oh, my hair is knotty because it got stuck. There we go. And tighten. So you have like little twists, and then do exactly the same with this bit of hair. This ponytail you can just sort of put to the side, and this one you literally split in half, just like you did for the 2 that were on this side. Then you can just sort of bring them out. Obviously mine is a very quick rushed job, but it is all done. I love this hairstyle. It gives volume to your hair. As you can tell, mine is pretty crazy at the moment. Yours may not go this crazy. It's great with straight hair, honestly, either one, but this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below whether you've seen this hairstyle before, whether you'd used it or whether you would use it and give it a go. And also take any pictures with you with your hairstyle like this. I know it's not my own hairstyle, but it's great to see it on other people and on their hair types. and tag me in it so I can see it as well. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!